Hey there, future dorm dwellers and clutter conquerors. Welcome back to DormEssentials, where small spaces meet big brain solutions. Today I'm diving into the Broview 3-pack of 84 quart stackable storage bins. Let's get organized without breaking a sweat or a finger. Instructions? Nah. Each bin comes with a base, a body, and a lid. It's like IKEA, but without the emotional trauma. First, lift up the sides. Pop on the frame top until it all clicks. If it doesn't click, you're probably upside down. Yeah, we've all been there. Anyway, build another bin and snap the two together. That satisfying click is the sound of your chaotic floor disappearing. Next, pop the wheels on. Add the third level and then add the lid. No screwdriver, no screaming, just align and snap it on. More clicks, oh yeah. Boom, stack them like organizational Jenga. They're sturdy, sleek, and can hold so much stuff. I may or may not have just put my entire snack collection in one of these. But if you prefer, you can put lots of towels, extra bedding, and clothes in them, and possibly your cat. But odds are your dorm won't allow animals. Maybe just your stuffed animals. And just like that, your dorm is 42% cleaner. Statistically verified by absolutely no one. But seriously, if you're short on space and long on stuff, these Broview storage bins are a game changer. And they're modular, so you can stack 2 under your lofted bed and 1 in your closet or anywhere else you have space. If you know what dorm you're staying in, you may be able to contact the housing department at your college and get dimensions of the room and how high you can loft your bed, so you can plan ahead on how much space you'll have for the bins. Many universities even have dimensions on their housing websites. Thanks to Broview for sending out this set to review. Broview has lots of options for sizes and colors of their storage bins, so we'll link many of them below in the description. And yes, they are affiliate links, so you're also helping this tiny channel grow while getting your life together if you grab one of these. Sounds like a win-win to me. And smash that like button, click subscribe, and stay tuned to DormEssentials for more gear that makes your space feel like home. And be sure to check out the next video suggested here to help you on this exciting journey.